Hi there, Caroline here, and welcome back to my channel. My theme for this month is Studio Ghibli with a touch of old anime graphics pages. This will be the last spread for this month, and I decided to go for Laputa Castle in the sky. I originally wanted to draw the robot with the two main characters, but I changed my mind after I failed my attempts of drawing the two main characters with the robot. So I just settled for the robot and some birds. In addition to this spread, I also added a memories and a goodbye April page. Once again in this video, the sun wanted to play tricks on me and decided to come and go. No, seriously, for some reason the sun always comes and goes when I start to film. Damn you, sun! But I still like you, so don't go away. I came to really like the Sakura Micron pen in 01 and used it for majority of the spread. It's not too thick and not too thin, though I'm always scared to press too hard and destroy the tip. For a change, I also used a different white pen, which is the Sakura Jelly Roll that came in the Sakura Micron kit that I got, and it actually works quite well over black. For the coloring, I used my St. Petersburgh White Nights palette. I started off with a green as base layer. I actually looked up some beginner's guides to watercolors here on YouTube, and I've learned that watercolors are supposed to be diluted with water to get different color intensities and to work in layers. I tried those techniques out and I really like how it turned out. Once I started with the brown color, the camera stopped recording, and I noticed it when I was already done with the brown base layer of the robot. On the display it said that there was a problem with the SD card, so I loaded the footage that I already had so far onto the laptop and formatted the SD card. That seemed to fix it. For the goodbye page, I decided to draw Totoro at the scene where they make the plants grow. The Totoro came out weird. I still have to learn and practice more how to draw him. Also, this notebook is filling up quite a bit. In the beginning, I used a lot of the back pages for random doodles and practices. That's why I got myself a new notebook, and this time it is a Leuchtturm. I heard that the Leuchtturm holds watercolors quite well, and the setup video will come out shortly after this one. I really liked the theme for this month. It was something different and challenging. I put up a poll on my Instagram, and the next theme for next month, which is May, will be water lilies. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. All the materials I used will be in the description box below, and until next time, bye!